It's a case that's gripped not just Kentuckians, but people across the nation from the beginning, when former Letcher County Sheriff Shawn Stines allegedly shot and killed District Judge Kevin Mullins in his chambers on September 19th. Kylie Hill sat down with the attorney representing Stines to learn more about his client's mindset. It's our top story at 6:30.
The video itself is disturbing and difficult to watch for anyone.
27 seconds of video showing the brutal murder of District Judge Kevin Mullins. But according to the defense attorney for former Letcher County Sheriff Shawn Stines, the man accused of murdering Mullins, those 27 seconds lack the full story.
I think that we need to see the entire video and the other evidence that can put that into context. And without that context, the portion that we saw, it does not stand alone. There has to be an understanding of the full story.
I sat down with Jeremy Bartley earlier, who says the fatal shooting wasn't planned.
I specifically asked the officer if there was any indication in his investigation that this was in any way planned, and he indicated no.
He believes the highest level of culpability should be manslaughter.
What we're saying is that is based upon the facts that we know on so far, that should be the ceiling. We will mount a full defense. Extreme emotional disturbance, as you know, is a partial defense, right? But we intend to pair that with another defense.
Obviously, since this incident, a lot of questions have been raised. One that has caused a lot of confusion at the time of the preliminary hearing is whether or not Stein's daughter's phone number was a saved contact in Mullins' phone.
My question when I asked was the number in the phone. I was referencing a recent call. I didn't specifically ask if it was a contact. If they say it is not, then I'll take that at face value today.
Another pressing question was the federal lawsuit where Stines was accused of failing to investigate allegations that one of his deputies repeatedly sexually abused a woman in Mullins' chambers, a reason for this crime.
One must wonder if they were not related. But again, we await to see the evidence and the completion of the state's investigation and the completion of our independent investigation.
He says they're hoping for an acquittal.
We are going to put on a full defense and urge for an acquittal if and when this case goes in front of a jury, of a full acquittal. I'm not going to announce today what we believe that defense will be, although everyone wants to know.
Kylie Hill, Fox 56 News.